Small spaces don't have to be short on style. With just the right storage, some key decor pieces, and plenty of imagination, you can make a little room bloom. Find all the products you need in store or online at hobbylobby.com. Wooden crates make terrific open shelving, and since they're stackable, it's easy to arrange them to fit your space. You can stock up when they're on sale, or you can use a coupon to buy them one at a time. It's worth some extra effort to hang the crates properly. You'll be glad you took the time to make sure they're aligned, level, and safely anchored to the wall. If you don't have quite enough art for a gallery wall, you can supplement your collection with framed scrapbook paper. Paper packs are color coordinated, so the prints are guaranteed to look good together, and the pages fit perfectly in basic 12 by 12 frames. If you want, you can even spray paint the frames to match the rest of your decor. Then play around with the layout to fit your wall space and hang. Decorating a room is about surrounding yourself with the things you love. Find your next favorite piece at Hobby Lobby. For more DIY inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to live a creative life.